Okay. Thank you.
Did you not try this so far?
Okay, yeah. Sorry, I want to make fire.
Yes.
Be careful for the kids. You can send back, yeah, because the wind. We don't know when you go.
Oh no.
Nice to know you.
One moment, yeah. Because the wind. Okay. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cepat ya.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Like that?
Are you scared or no? No?
No.
No. So, this madam children or
Ada
grandchildren?
perempuan saya
Anak perempuan. Oke. Suami, bapaknya.
and suami ya. And
Cucu.
Ya, no, cucu.
Cucu nenek.
Ya,
Cucu.
saya nenek.
Iya, neneknya. Oke. Bagus ya. Cewek, cowok. Boys and girl ya.
It's good.
Boys and girl, good.
Ya.
Ya, nanti edamame. Oke, you first class have edamame ya.
Oh ya.
This
We love it.
usually for the adult, but share ya for the all ya.
Ya.
Did you get that for the flame? Oh, awesome. Patrick might eat some of the stuff if he's seen
Okay,
it.
don't
be
eat the
cooked.
skin ya, edamame ya. Just
Only
experience. Okay, we start ya. Okay. Hey. Mineral water.
It's so funny we never did this in Japan. It would have been too expensive.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this onion dressing ya.
Ah,
Yeah.
Onion dressing. Đây nhiều hãng đi. Okay, onion dressing made from vinegar, soya, salt, sugar, onion, and mustard.
Oh, yum.
white onion,
Onion,
putih onion,
onion putih.
Or
Yeah.
brown. Chocolate.
The big one onion ya.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, have the red onion, white onion.
Oh, red onion would be nice.
Yeah.
Sweeter.
Okay, come on. Come on. Ah. Angin kencang. Kita. Oh, anginnya.
Kali look. Volcano.
Okay. Okay.
Oh look, now it's steaming.
Look, Ellie.
Just smoking. Okay. Speed. Speed. Hey. Hey. Good. That's it.
Wait.
Sudah. Here in the pocket. Hup. Hey,
Practice that a bit, I bet.
back to the head, yeah. If you want see the egg, yeah, back to the head. And then come back again to be bim salabim.
Abracadabra.
Ah.
Now watch this, watch this. Watch
Okay,
this.
good, yeah. One more, yeah.
Watch this. He has to do. It's very hard. Oh, what he's about to do is very hard.
In the pocket.
It's something else. You still gotta watch.
It's boiled egg or real egg? It's boiled or real? Boiled, yeah.
Oh,
Let's
no.
see, yeah. I crack it, yeah.
Real.
Real, yeah. Okay.
No.
Crack it, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Well
real
done.
egg.
If it's boiled, it doesn't spin as well because the inside doesn't.
About the egg yolk. Apply the egg yolk, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
That was really
Like
good.
30 or so.
Yeah, that was 30. 31. Right. Once it hit 11.
Well done.
Whoa, whoa,
Again. Again, slowly or faster?
Fast.
Faster. Okay. Okay, faster.
Wow.
Okay.
Do that?
No. Yes.
Last one, last one.
Wait, I
Okay.
can.
Maybe slow and fast, yeah? Slowly. Okay.
Yay.
Ready? Open your mouth, yeah? Move, yeah? I throw
You do the
move,
slow
yeah?
mo.
Get the 1, 2, 3. Move. Again, Sudi.
Keep trying. Keep trying.
Right, again. 1, 2, 3.
Don't move, Patrick.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
wait.
One more. Last
Don't
one.
move, don't
1,
move.
2, 3.
Oh.
Maybe, madam. You try again. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay!
Good try.
Belly.
Come on.
I'm gonna move. No, that would fall on the seat.
Okay.
I'm gonna get ready.
Keep it ready. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, okay. Come on again. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Long one.
Oh. Went up the nose, I think.
Long one.
Yay!
Madam.
Did it hit the back of your throat? Oh my god.
Madam, let's try.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Daddy, you can
I'm ready.
Okay, ready, yeah?
Hang on.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, sir? 1,
Mhm.
2, 3. Hi, sorry. 2.
Okay.
Again. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
How much?
1, 2, 3. Wow! Again.
Sedikit lagi.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Lagi. 1, 2.
Yay!
Next, you turn.
Okay,
Oh, wait.
you gonna film this?
It's worth it.
No.
Okay, ready, yeah?
Oh, wait.
Ready, camera, wait.
I haven't got. Oh, here we go.
Ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, sorry. Come on again. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Well done. All right, here you go, Tim.
You try again? I have still.
You can also have another try.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, again. Try again. Hop. 1, 2, 3. Hop. Wow. Come on again. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Yes.
More for Patrick.
Woo.
Oh, so close. Running out.
Try again. Ellie. Wow. Sorry. Hop. Wow. Small one.
Yeah.
Small one.
Yay!
Okay.
You're writing upside down?
Yes.
Well done.
Happy.
Thank you for coming. Happy.
Happy.
This is new.
Oh, this is going to be hard.
Yeah.
That's so sorry.
No, it says sorry for anniversary. Oh, well done.
Nice.
They use for coming happy anniversary.
And a little heart.
That's what you feel. Yes.
Yay!
One more got here. Okay.
Very nice. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for coming. Happy anniversary. Yeah.
Thank you. Very special.